Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to another video today. This is Mary Beth Angelelli back to talk to you more about copy and paste ads, as simple as it gets. Now, if you are looking for a simple way that you can start to generate extra cash flow in the new year, 2025, because it's literally right around the corner, you're in the right place at the right time, my friend. I've been using copy and paste ads now for the last couple of years. It's going amazingly well. People absolutely love this system because it is simple, it is affordable, it is duplicatable, and it is scalable. No special experience, skills, education needed or required. This is the back office. So once you get started and join and pay your one-time $129, that's all it costs, folks. One time, no monthly fees ever. $29 of that goes to the admin, $100 will come to me. And I am set up to accept all major credit and debit cards. This is a worldwide opportunity. I have my merchant account connected, and I can also accept Cash App and Venmo as well, okay? So with that being said, folks, this is your back office. You're going to want to click here as a new member. You're going to want to follow these simple steps. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You want to watch this little video, okay? This is exciting because it's going to show you exactly how to set your payment methods up, and you can literally get paid however you wish. This is worldwide. The commissions are going to come directly to you instantly and directly, and you're going to get to keep 100% of the profit. So your step 1 is to set up your payment processors. Watch this little video. Step 2 is to create and set up your profile. Here's all your sample ads, everything you need to copy, paste, post, and ultimately profit. Takes all the guesswork out of the equation. You don't need to know how to create ads. You use these. These work very, very well. Top places to post your ads. Again, eliminating all the guesswork out of the equation. Everywhere where you need to go to post your ads for the best results are all provided in step number 4, okay? And then we have step number 5, done for you traffic. You want to scale up. I highly recommend these 2 proven trusted resources that have been around for a really long time, okay? I use them and they have served me very, very well. Member area training, this is exactly where you want to go for your training, and this is where you want to access your bonus credits in step number 8. How to post your ads. Shows you step by step. It's very, very, very simple. Okay, so everything you need is contained within these 8 steps. And then going across your dashboard, your new member training, you definitely want to access that here. Okay, and that's where you're going to be able to access your new member training, ways to receive, edit your profile if you need to go in and make any changes. All your settings here. If you need settings, you can go right in here and make the changes and adjustments. Here's all your contacts, your pages, done for you, high converting lead capture pages, ready to go. Okay, that's where you find these under pages. It's really easy. You pick the one you want. For example, make it your primary. Come down here and select your sales page. Make this your redirect. Your link is ready to go to plug into your ads and to take into the marketplace to start advertising. This video will be out there working for you, doing all your telling, selling, and explaining for you around the clock like it does for me, so you don't have to speak to anybody. Your built-in email autoresponder will be out there doing all your follow-up, sending all your follow-up emails for you to help you to get sign-ups. Very easy. Here's where you can track your team, okay? Here's exactly where you can go and track your team. Here's all of your tools, your ad tracking, your autoresponder emails, your iSpin Auto Builder login. Everything you need is going to be right here. And all of your sample ads, okay? Here's your tools. You can access all of your tools right here. Here's your resources. Facebook group, you definitely want to join this as a paid member, okay? There's going to be some great, insightful information contained within the Facebook group for paid members. Resources and training. This is where you're going to want to definitely plug in, okay, into these 6 modules. So you're going to have those 8 steps, and this is your actual training as well, okay? Your getting started guide, your follow-up emails and autoresponders, how to post a job on Craigslist, how to use Craigslist posting. You're going to get the information, the knowledge, and the training for Craigslist. Here's all the top 100 places to post your ads and have fun in the process. Facebook groups. Facebook groups can be a nice little gold mine, folks. Nice little hidden gem, so definitely explore this option. It's free and it's easy. And then mindset videos. So you have all of these modules right here that you plug into. And the beautiful thing is, folks, you can use this information, this knowledge that you're going to be equipped with, this training, these methods, these strategies, to apply and implement them to start increasing your cash flow and earning 100% commissions, unlimited potential to earn $100 commissions over and over again in the new year 2025. You can take this training, knowledge, information, ads, resources, all that good stuff that is contained within, and apply it and implement it into any other online business, folks. $129 one time. Simple, affordable, duplicatable, and completely scalable, folks, okay? So here's everything you need right here, folks. The Facebook group to join, your resources and training, Craigslist training and information, and top 100 places to post. Here's all your sample ads right here. You don't have to write any ads, folks. You just use these as is. For example, right click. You're just going to hover over, highlight, take this into your description, right click copy, right click paste. It's going to be plugged in there, and you'll be able to submit your ad. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. Okay. So here's your sample ads. Here's all your Craigslist information for your training, the best places, the best cities, and a step-by-step video training tutorial to show you how to use Craigslist. Okay. So here's everything here, additional information for you for Craigslist. Okay. Places to advertise. Here, see, here's all your Craigslist training. Here's the video, the step-by-step video that's going to show you exactly how to post on Craigslist. It's really easy. You go to Craigslist.org, create a free account, and then it's going to show you exactly how to do it. It's a simple process, folks. Very, very simple. Okay? And here's the 10 steps to follow. So you just read step 1 all the way down through step 2, and then you have fun. Craigslist attracts lots of great high-quality prospects, folks. It's a wonderful ad resources. They've been around for a long, long time. Okay? Craigslist.org. Highly recommend it. Okay, so here's your sample ads, places to advertise. Folks, you can go here and have fun. Use these, okay? And banner ads. If you like banner ads, they're all contained and provided for you, okay? And we've got traffic. These are excellent resources, folks. Hercules and Udemy. They've been around for a long time, too, okay? So once you start making $100 commissions over and over again, you want to scale this up and build this up quickly. Folks, I highly recommend for better, even faster results, folks, more automated, that you give consideration to doing these $20 ads over at Hercules. You come here, okay, you create yourself a free account, and you can explore the different options, okay? You can explore the different options. You can even become an affiliate and earn up to 50% commissions by sharing this with your team members or anybody that, you know, any other opportunity you might be in. Everybody needs advertising, folks. This is a long-time trusted resource. It's highly reliable. It's very affordable. They do an excellent job, folks. So you can even open up an additional income stream here, okay, as an affiliate. And then we come back over here and we have Udemy. Again, you can become an affiliate for Udemy. You can share this with team members, and you can offer a great, trusted, solid, reliable, reputable advertising source, okay? Udemy.com, create a free account, and then you can go buy traffic. 100 clicks starts right around 40 bucks, give or take a little bit. As you go, folks, as you start earning more and increasing your monthly income, commission, earning potential, you can take 100 clicks and you can flip it and add and scale up to 200 clicks and keep going, folks, okay? And these two places will advertise your link for you. All you do is order the package of your choice, give them the link to your capture page. They'll do the advertising for you and drive traffic and leads into your capture page, folks. Help you build your email list and help you build your business. Really super simple, okay? So we got that. Okay. Oopsie daisy. We got to bring this down here. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so we're coming back here. This is the video that you're going to be using and sharing, folks. It's going to be really easy. This video will be out there working for you 24/7, 365. Once somebody enters their information into your capture page, like you're going to come through mine, this is where you're going to be redirected. You're going to want to watch this, okay? You're going to want to watch this. And when you're ready to get started, you click on the Join Now button and create your account. You pay your $29 admin. You're going to be redirected to pay your $100 commission, okay? This explains and defines the entire business model very simply right here. Listen to these testimonials. Here's everything you're getting highlighted. Your pre-written ads, your 100 places to post your ads. Again, you can use this for any online business. Your step-by-step instructional videos to show you how to post, all that good stuff for Craigslist. Everything is here. How to set up your payment methods. Really easy. Recorded training and webinars you're going to get access to. Your copy and paste ads tracking software you'll have access to. Private Facebook groups. All your done for you lead capture pages and funnels. Your done for you autoresponder messages ready to go out for you, written for you, pre-written. The compensation plan. Everything is here. Email support, FAQs, your entire system, folks. Your business in a box. Everything you need to be up and running quickly and have success to help you to increase your cash flow in 2025. Can you believe the new year is almost here? Wow. So, folks, when you're ready to go, all you do is click either Buy Now or Join Now. And this is what it's going to look like. You'll want to watch this little video, 50 seconds. Create your account right here, folks. First name, last name, email address. Pick a username. I use Mary Beth A, which is my first name and the first initial of my last name. You can use whatever you want. And then choose a password. Okay? Create your account. And then just follow the simple instructions. Very, very easy. Okay? So that is pretty much it, folks. Okay, everything you're going to need is right here, ready to go. Listen to these testimonials, review the business model, watch this video. This is going to be out there working for you, helping you to get new customers, helping you to earn unlimited $100 instant pay commissions to your favorite payment processor in 2025. It's 5 minutes, 28 seconds. That's a fantastic job, folks, because you don't have to speak to anybody. This is going to be out there behind the scenes working for you like it does for me 24/7, 365, helping you to get new paid customers for your own copy and paste ads. As simple as it gets. New business for 2025. If you have any questions, folks, just connect with me. My contact details are below. Text or call me. Best way to reach me. Okay? The best way to reach me. So just go ahead and check everything out. And this is exactly where you're going to go. EasyDaily100.com. EasyDaily100.com. It's right in the description, first line, okay? Because you're going to be about to discover a simple way to start getting $100 payments over and over again. Okay? And that's going to be really fun going into 2025. Enter a good valid email address. Please show me more. You'll be redirected right over to my little bridge page. There'll be a button there, and that is ultimately going to be taking you right over here, okay, to your sales page. This is the very same page you're going to have out there working for you. It's simple. It really is, like the name says, as simple as it gets. This business has been going strong, folks, since 2018. We're almost in 2025, folks. Look. See, 2018 to 2024 right here. Very, very easy. Okay? So, you want to log in. It's going to be really easy. You just put your email address that you used to create. You'll have your own assigned password. And you will just go ahead and be able to log in. Okay, just like this. By entering it. Okay? And click the login. And voila. You're right in your back office. Everything is here awaiting you. Click here. You'll follow those steps. Join the Facebook group for paid members. Make sure you get access. Make sure you access your free bonus traffic that is awaiting you when you join. Take full advantage of this, okay? Free traffic membership. There's an optional rotator. If you want to join that, go ahead and explore that option. Okay, the compensation plan video. And here's everything you need. Your done for you email campaigns, your banner ads, view your stats, member training, and member resources area. You need support, you use this link right here, create a support ticket. They'll respond back to you and help you with whatever it is you need. Here's more top sites to use to post. Okay, more top sites to use to post. And make sure you just plug into your member training right here, folks. These 6 modules. This is going to get you up and running and acclimated quickly. You'll know exactly what to do, how to do it. Make good use of it. Follow the training right here, Module 1. Sample ads, Module 2. Places to advertise, Module 3. Your Craigslist tips and cities and training and posting is in Module 4. Your YouTube training right here, Module 5. Excellent free resource, folks. I've been using YouTube for a long time. It's brought me lots and lots of business, and it's free. And then your payment method tutorial. So everything is awaiting you. So you click here, you get started. You're in your members area. Go here and follow these 8 steps, okay? And then explore. This is your back office. Explore the dashboard right at the top. All of these options. Just have fun. Go in, get familiarize yourself with everything that is contained within your new copy and paste ads, as simple as it gets, back office for 2025. Okay? Everything is here. You're done for you capture pages. Just click here, capture pages. Pick the one you want, make it your primary. Go here and make this your redirect for your sales page. That's how easy it is, folks. You've got your link and it's ready to go. You can start sharing it, advertising it. You can use social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, whatever you have, okay? Social media. There's over 5 billion people alone on social media. That's another great place to go, okay? Choose the platform of your choice and have fun, and it's free, and you can reach lots of people who are going to be looking to do the exact same thing you are right now, increase their cash flow in the new year. A lot of people are making New Year's resolutions. Tax season is right upon us, folks. People are going to be hitting the internet in record numbers, in droves, looking for simple ways to make money and increase cash flow in the new year, folks. This is the perfect, ideal place, solution to be able to accomplish all of that and so much more very successfully. And you can get paid, folks, directly to you. No waiting around to get paid. The money comes directly to you, right into your own account, and you get to keep 100%. Okay? And these $100 commissions do add up very nicely and very quickly, as long as you're consistent with your marketing in any given month. There's great potential here, folks. I love this little program. That's why I keep coming in here and keep sharing it with the masses here on YouTube, because I want everybody to be in the know and be aware that there is a simple way that you can start getting paid, folks. Pay off some of that holiday debt. Help to get yourself, folks, debt-free in 2025. Increase your cash flow, have fun, go out there, do some things you wanted to do, travel, just enjoy life, folks. And you can do that with the copy and paste ad system, as simple as it gets, helping people since 2018. Okay? Thank you so much. Talk to you soon. You know how to reach me. Go to my website, easydaily100.com. Text or call me if you have any questions. My contact details are below. I'll see you on the inside. Bye-bye.